Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make easy and delicious veggie enchiladas. We'll start by gathering some fresh vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini to create a vibrant and healthy filling. Then, we'll prepare a flavorful mixture with black beans and corn. Next, we'll roll this delicious filling into soft tortillas and cover them with your favorite enchilada sauce. Finally, we'll bake them until they are bubbly and golden brown, ready for a fantastic meal. Now, let's create the heart of our enchiladas, the flavorful filling. First, sauté 1 cup of diced onions and 2 colorful bell peppers in a pan until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add 1 15-ounce can of black beans, ensuring they are rinsed and well drained. Stir in 1 cup of sweet corn and a half cup of fresh, chopped cilantro. Finally, season this vibrant mixture with 1 teaspoon of cumin and a half teaspoon of chili powder for a warm, inviting flavor. With our delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble our enchiladas. First, gently warm 12 corn or flour tortillas to make them pliable and easy to roll. This can be done in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Next, spread a thin layer of your favorite enchilada sauce in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Then, take each tortilla, fill it with about 1/3 cup of the vegetable mixture, roll it tightly, and place it seam side down in the prepared dish. Repeat until all tortillas are filled. Our enchiladas are almost ready for the oven. First, pour 2 cups of your favorite enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Next, generously sprinkle 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, such as Monterey Jack or cheddar, over the top. Bake the enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a dollop of sour cream or avocado for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.